all the powers must be given for people, okay, and they should follow the equality. That is the principle: equality, equal justice, okay, no discrimination. So like this. So all the rules are not written in the constitution of this king. So now once again the Maoist has prepared a new constitution, okay, and this constitution was finally completed in the year 2015. So till 2015, so Nepal has suffered with lot of struggles, okay, lot of revolts are broke out. Finally in the year 2015, so Nepal has become as a real democratic country, okay. So by the year 2015, finally Nepal has become into the republic country. That means the elections are conducted and new government was elected, and that government also most of the people are present this mainly this that is communist parties. Okay, we can see that's Nepal. So recently we can see that Nepal is becoming against for India. Okay, so Nepal is very close to the China. Okay, you know that. So here Nepal is finally became an independent country in the year 2015. That means they have fully adopted the constitution, that is democratic constitution, and they have abolished this king's rule. Okay, so in this way the Nepal was converted into democracy. So just we move forward. So this total indicates that the Nepal. So how this Nepal was struggling hard. So we can see this is the communist parties of Nepal at the time of this struggle. Okay, so next just we move forward. Now here we may have one doubt. Constitution. If the country is having constitution, then the people will be very happy. So, but there are some lapses are there. So people will not be very happy with this, because even we are following that constitution, but there are some lapses are there. Lapses means some drawbacks. Okay, so drawbacks are there. What are the drawbacks are present means, example here, one example is given. So one classroom, one conversation was given here. So just we'll see this one first. Anil was there. So Anil, so today I am going to report to the Mr. Rao. So here one or two persons are there. Suresh. What is the total communication here? What are the total conversation here means? First Suresh was there. Suresh and Anil, both are enemies. Okay. So here one teacher was there. So her name is, so just she is Miss Rao. Okay, Miss Rao. Just her name is, just a teacher name is just Miss Rao. She has appointed this Suresh as a class leader, as a class representative or monitor, monitoring of the class. That means leader. Okay. So suddenly when she got some urgent work in the office room, so she went outside from the class. Then before she was going to this outside, so she allotted this Suresh as a monitoring for the class. Then at that time what he did means, so as Suresh is having the enemy, that is Anil, so Anil was telling that just he was going to report to teacher. Okay, so what is the report means here? So here, okay, yes, come to the point. Yes. So Anil was sitting very silent, but this Suresh was there. So though he was sitting in the silent, but when the teacher came to the class, so then immediately, so this Suresh has reported to the teacher about that. What is that means? Just ma'am, that this Anil was unwantedly just he was shouting. Okay, like that he said to the teacher. Then teacher has scolded this Anil, but Anil said that ma'am, I did not do anything like that. Okay, but here what is the thing happened means, here what we can understand from this one means, so here one constitution was there. What is the constitution here? Constitution tells that leaders are elected people. So in our constitution, we are electing the MPs and MLAs. That means we can't tell that all the MPs and MLAs are good. Okay. Sometimes they may target some people only. Example here only. So according to constitution means what? According to rule, Suresh was elected as a leader or class monitor, but he was misusing the power. On whom? That is Anil. Okay, so sometimes this may happen in the democracy. Okay, so like this. So here we can't tell that the constitution will give the full-fledged democracy. So here there are some lapses are there. That is, sometimes these politicians may misuse the power of this constitution. Okay, so like that. Here also one more example is given here. So just to we move forward. So see here, just okay. Next here one more thing is there. One more example is given here. What is the example means here? In the democracy, in democratic countries, only majority peoples are having the power. So here, if you see here in the classroom, that means in the class outside. So here, the boys want to play the cricket. Okay, but the girls, they want to play the basketball. Then who will opinion or whose decision will be taken? Because here girls are very less number. They are in minority position, but boys are more number. So finally what will happen? The teacher will come here and he was going to decide that which game should be played. So finally the teacher is going to ask them to play only the cricket. Why? Because here majority peoples are asking for the cricket. Okay. So here in the democratic countries, sometimes that means sometimes they may violate the decisions of or goals of these minority peoples. So here example in our country, majority peoples are there. So example in our country, example if you take the political parties, so BJP are there. So all the BJP parties are having majority. So only the BJP is having the majority. So whatever the decisions or whatever the demands they have, whatever the goals they are having, only that goals will be taken into consideration. But what about minorities goals? So here girls were there. So girls aims and goals are violated. So they are, that means their goals are rejected because they are minority. So this is one of the drawback in a democracy. Only majority peoples are having the power, but minority peoples and decisions are violated and they are not taken into consideration. So this is one of the drawback in the constitution. Okay. So just we move forward. So see here, so this is the conversation. So here is there. What is the conversation is here. So we always have to do what the boys want because they are in majority. So because here, though the girls are having the goals and aims to play any kind of game they want, but here as the boys are majority, so whatever the game they want, so they are playing. So here she was telling that, so ma'am should think of another way to make decisions so that our wishes also should be heard. That means what? Minority peoples. That means less number people. Less number people's decisions also must be taken into consideration.